Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your age on Duolingo. It's pretty simple. You want to click on the three dot at the bottom right of your screen and click on where it says profiles. From inside your profiles, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. From over here, scroll all the way down and click on where it says Help Center. Now once you're inside the Help Center, make sure the page loads up. Once the page loads up, scroll all the way down at the bottom. Once you see Submit Bug Report, click on it. From over here where it says your email address, enter the email address which is linked with your Duolingo app, which means whichever email address you used when you created your Duolingo account, enter that over here. Once you enter the email, what you want to do is click on where it says subject. And on subject, you want to write change age. Once you write that, over here on description, you want to describe your problem like this. I have entered an incorrect age when creating my Duolingo account. Can you help me change it? Once you write that, over here where it says type of issue, click on it and choose where it says other bug. Once you do that, click on submit. Once you click on submit, this report will be submitted to Duolingo staff and they'll reply to you on your email, whichever email is connected with your Duolingo app. You want to check the email and they will tell you how to change your age. So I hope you understand how you guys can change age on Duolingo. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.